Hello, and welcome to another edition of Sporty's Product Pirate Videos. My name is Doug, and today we're going to look at the all-new PJ2 COM radio. The PJ2 is an update from our PJ2 radio. And many of these updates came from ideas from customers like you. Before we hop into what's new on the PJ2 let's look at some of the features that we really loved about the PJ2 that we've incorporated into this new radio. The number one feature of the PJ2 is that you can plug a standard aviation headset right into the top. It has twin jacks, PJ plugs, just like your airplane. So in the event your panel goes dark and you have an emergency, you can take your headset, unplug it from the panel, and plug it directly into your radio. No adapters needed. The other feature we really like about the PJ2 is the power port on the side of the radio. It is a Type-C plug, just like you'll find on most iPad Pros and a lot of phones out there. So you don't need a special cable to power this unit. The PJ2 does come with an alkaline battery pack that uses 6 AA batteries. But in the event you have dead batteries in there, you can still work your radio. It comes with an included power cable, and you can run this off of any 2.4 amp power source, whether that's a cigarette lighter adapter, wall plug, or even one of these iPad battery bricks we sell here at Sporty's. These can power and operate your PJ2 COM radio. And the best feature about our PJ2 COM radio is that it's easy to use. Simply turn on the radio with the volume knob, type in whatever frequency you want, and go. There's no complicated menu systems. Most people don't even need to use the user manual to figure out how to use it. In addition to those great features from the PJ2, we've incorporated some customer requests into the PJ2 You'll notice next to the PJ plugs on top of the radio, we've added a 3.5 millimeter jack. And this is there for earbuds or computer-style headsets. If you're walking around Oshkosh or Sun and Fun and want to listen to air traffic control, you can take your favorite set of earbuds, plug it into the top here, and listen to air traffic comfortably while walking around the show. You don't have to have a big, massive aviation headset on when you're walking the air show. This also works as an output jack. So if you want to take a 3.5 millimeter cable and plug it into a Bose speaker or other device that has a 3.5 millimeter jack, you can now output the sound from the PJ2 to that speaker. So you can share with the whole room or the whole airport the ATC. We've increased the wattage output of the PJ2 Previously, we had a max of 5 watts output. Now we have 6 watts output. This is really great, especially when you have that emergency situation, to make sure you can transmit as far as you can with your handheld radio. The PJ2 has an automatic noise limiter as well as a high contrast screen. This makes the screen easier to view not only in the cockpit, but outside the cockpit while you're walking around Oshkosh listening to the ATC. The PJ2 is online at sportys.com.